today's review, we're going to go over the LuckEasy Hub cover modification kit for Tesla Model 3. This essentially is a hub for your stock rims with the aero covers off. It covers all 5 lug nuts in the centerpiece. These are featured on Amazon, and currently they're priced for $29.90. They are a plastic hub. However, they do appear to be rather robust. I haven't had any issues with them on for the summer. I figure for this kind of price, if something does happen with the covering on them, I can get some vinyl wrap and put on a carbon fiber wrap myself. They're very easy to install and to remove if you need to put your aero covers on. And it's even easier if you had to take it for any type of maintenance, either yourself or to a mechanic. You simply use a tool to remove them, and they pop off in less than a few seconds, which allows for using for short trips, or if you go onto a long trip, you can remove these and put your aero covers back on. I got the ones that didn't have anything on a logo on the center because I wanted to see what it looked like either without or adding my own. And in my case, I went ahead and ordered some vinyl decals for Tesla T and added it on, and they fit just fine. And it comes as a modular unit, even though it looks like it's one piece. You actually have the center cap that can be popped out, and if you get the plain one, you can change your decal in the center for a logo. That center pops out, and also not shown here is each of the lug covers goes into the 5-point star. So it's one piece, but they can be removed separately, so you can leave the lugs on if you needed to. And you have the center hub that comes out too. I've read some people have taken it out of the centerpiece and put it in third parties. I have not tried this, so I don't know if this works or not. Now for the Tesla T wheel decals, I ordered them from Abstract Ocean, and I simply went ahead and I picked the multi-coat pearl white, and I just placed on top. And we'll see in some of the pictures here in the video what they look like. They turned out pretty good. You can get whatever color you want, depending on what you order from LuckEasy. They do have a carbon fiber decal. However, it wouldn't show up very well, in my opinion, on the carbon fiber hub, nor would the black. So my car's multi-pearl white. I went ahead and did that. Also, see the link in the descriptions below. You can get a discount off of anything for Abstract Ocean, so that would make these decals a little more affordable.